Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the GitHub 404 error when trying to download TinyTask or open its GitHub page. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the 404 error. First, the 404 error means the page or file you're trying to open on GitHub doesn't exist anymore, or the link is broken. This usually happens if the project was deleted, moved to a new URL, or the download link is outdated. Step 2. Use the official website. To safely get TinyTask, always use its official source. The original TinyTask is not hosted on GitHub. It's mainly available on tinytask.net or trusted software sites like Softonic or SourceForge. So instead of using an old GitHub link, go directly to tinytask.net. Step 3. Avoid fake links. Be careful, there are many fake or broken GitHub pages for TinyTask because it's free and open source. Always double-check the link. If you see 404, don't download from random sites. They may include viruses. Step 4. Download and install. Once you have the correct site, click Download, save the file, and run TinyTask. It's just an exe file, so no installation is needed. Bonus tip. If you're a developer looking for the source code, search GitHub for TinyTask forks, but check the upload date and stars to find a maintained copy. If you're just an end user, stick to the official exe. Outro. And that's how you fix the GitHub 404 error for TinyTask by using the right download source. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and comment below if you need help with any other TinyTask or automation tool. Thanks for watching.